What's up everybody, it's the Texas Squeegee and today we are here at this liquor store doing a total blackout film to completely darken the windows and protect the liquor from sun damage from being displayed up at that front. So in this video you're going to see the look outside and the inside and the installation process so that you know exactly what you're going to get when you go with blackout window film. Squeegee that! All right, so in this one, we have a lot of product going up against that glass. Now the client for this one wanted to block the sun from damaging anything that's right here. Now sun causes damage to product and merchandise over time because of UV radiation getting in through this. Now, this one is left unprotected right here. It's totally clear, and you can see the difference between a blackout film versus a clear glass. And you can see it has minimum reflectivity, so it's not gonna be very bright. It's not gonna draw your attention. However, it is gonna protect anything that's behind here. It's gonna give you total privacy, and it's gonna have total UV protection so that it doesn't mess anything behind the glass itself. For the installation, we first start with a glass deep cleaning and decontamination because the cleaner the glass is going to be, the better the film is going to bond to that glass. And what that's going to do is over time, it's not going to be pulling back or bubbling up or anything like that. It's keeping the window film and the installation a one-time investment. Now, after that, we then go with the trims. We trim everything up right up to that edge so that everything is super tight, super straight. Everything is gonna come out top-notch professional. And we cover everything up, clean everything out, take all of our trash with us so that we leave the job and the site better than when we came into it. All right, so if you like this product and you like the video, it's very simple to get something done with this. First, you contact us, we will schedule your consultation, then we will schedule your installation, and then you will be tintified. So if you want to get something like this done, visit our website at texastintmasters.com. Call us at 281-900-4484. This is Carlos, the Texas Squeegee, signing off, and I'll see you on the next one. Squeegee that.